Hello friends. Now we are going to take the next HR question, which is frequently asked. Tell me something which happened in your life of which you are happened in your life of which you are really ashamed of. Now this question is something which is going to make something guilt. Right? Actually it's kind of question which is going to bring some negativity. But this question is kind of negative question uh, where the interviewer is where interviewer is trying to get something from you which is going to bring the interview into the negative background, or by your own mouth you are going to speak something which is going to cause uh, which is going to keep away you from grabbing away the job. Now it is very important to answer this question very trickily. See, this question is something kind of personal type of question. Now, if this question is something where the students are literally not prepared of, this kind of personal question, tell me something about which happened in your life of which you are really ashamed of. See how anyone is going to tell the story of which is really ashamed of. Now, this question is about something which you are trying to revive your memory and go into your memory and just asking yourself, yeah, what was happened previously in your memory where some incident is being hooked up that will tell you that you felt ashamed. Now, this is tricky question. Now, you have to give the situation which is negative, but the outcome should be positive. The answer should be positive. Now, see, I'm going to give real life incident which happened to me. If someone asks me this question, see, there are incidents different from each and everyone. But I'm just going to tell you an example that what kind of answer should be given to this question. See, first I want to tell the first what you say. Don't get under the trap. You say, I think I don't remember any kind of incident which has happened in my life. I think which I'm ashamed of, but still I'll try to remember, sir. Uh, you mean first point is that you try to remember, okay? Then just say you should be a good actor. By the way, I am going to tell you that being a good actor is very important because acting is very important in life. What you say an incident. Now I'm going to tell you an incident which has happened in my life, that when I was in the 12th standard, probably the basic matriculation stage, I was asked by my teacher to teacher suddenly that one of my fellow who was the monitor of the class, he used to give speech on the Republic Day, but he was on the Republic Day or some national event day. He was there, and he used to give speech every Republic Day. And suddenly, what happened is that that day, on that Republic Day, my monitor he got sick. He was sick, and that's why I was given. I was called by class teacher, and I was asked, Salman, now you should be ready for your speech. You have to give speech on the Republic Day. Now it was really very difficult for me because I never faced the stage. I just went up. Actually, for preparing my mind, it was very difficult. I just said no to my teacher, and I was just ridiculously telling, yeah, teacher, I would not be able to give. You just give this topic to any other student. But teacher said no, no, now you should do something for a class. It is very difficult situation, and now we just got a very less time, and the speech is to be delivered. So I just felt I went on the stage and I really felt ashamed, I just can't, I was not able to speak, but still I spoke from my heart that what is the situation of the country going on now and how we can improve. I just spoke from my heart, this was something where I was shattering, and all my school and college girls were just making laugh at me. But what was the outcome of the solution? Now, this was a situation where I was really ashamed of something that I didn't know to speak two lines on the Republic Day. I was not prepared for it. That was kind of situation where I really felt ashamed, but that hooked me up. That hooked me up in the graduation first year to the graduation final year to the my post graduation first year to the post graduation final year. I just gave away all the speeches on Republic Day and the Independence Day, where afterwards I really never felt ashamed. Even I felt proud that on the National Republic Day or any kind of event, I'm not called for giving the speeches. You know, this kind of no, what the interviewer was expecting that you would be giving the negative answer, but now what you have converted this answer into the positive sense. It means you are a cool guy who is going to convert the negative situation into the positive one. It means you are an expert. So hope you find the good answer to the solution, and thank you so much. Stay tuned to the next.